Further.
All right.
Good boy.
Other way, Ray. Other way.
Good boy,
She can
Cooper.
go backwards. We're not.
I can do
Faster
backwards.
forwards. Forwards is easier.
Maybe.
Here, so we'll start in the back. Okay, start in the back. And then, whoa. You okay?
And was he going to text you when he's close?
I don't know. We called about
Okay, let's go. 'Cause it's
where?
I'm not going to have him come to the door.
No, you just need Ray to ride and text him then.
Whoa.
Text me when you're close.
Okay, John, one more jump. One more jump, John.
We
One?
can meet you out in front.
I doubt you can get it in one. I'll do three.
Does it help with that?
Okay, Caden? Someone make some chip noises for me?
Ray, just stop. Stop right there.
Oh.
You got fast. It wasn't too slow.
I think I'm going too slow.
I think we were clapping too slow.
Oh, I think you said I was going too slow.
I think you were really fast.
Like if I went faster, I could get more?
Yeah.
Maybe you're right. Here's your jumper.